Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Idil's Kitchen. Today we are going to make an amazing Italian dish, very easy too, called saltimbocca. Saltimbocca is basically veal wrapped with some ham and sage. You can use prosciutto as well. It's super easy to make. You serve it with a delicious red wine sauce. I just love it and I wanted to share it with you. It's great to make for your family. It's great to make it for guests as well. So what we're going to need is 2 veals. That has been, I got it from my butcher like this. I asked him to prepare it as a schnitzel, so the veal has to be thinned out. We're going to use some flour, some garlic, some ham, red wine, butter, some heavy cream and some sage. Sage is definitely a must in this recipe. It works great, tastes great. And like I said, instead of ham, you can definitely use prosciutto as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm taking 1 slice. I'm putting a slice of ham and about 3 leaves of sage. I'm just going to wrap it like this. And here goes my other one. Same here. Although it's not customary, you can definitely add some provolone cheese in it. Provolone would go great. Some light cheese, nothing like cheddar, like not something with a sharp taste. So I roll this as well, and these are ready. I have here my cast iron skillet. I put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. And I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to let the butter melt. And in the meantime, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on my veal slices here. This was one of the recipes I learned in culinary school. Oops. This is one of the recipes that I learned in culinary school, and I always make it because it's very light and you can prepare the whole thing in about 15 minutes, which is always great. And after salt and pepper, I'm going to dip these into some flour. The flour is going to help thicken the sauce that we're going to prepare later on. This is looking great. And what you can do is you can prepare up to this step when you have guests coming over, and then you can cook the whole thing once they're there super quickly. So now I'm waiting for the butter to melt, and then we are going to pop these in the skillet. So now I'm transferring the saltimboccas into the hot pan, and because the meat is quite thin, it's going to cook up really fast. So about a minute or 2 on each side, and then they're gonna be ready. And once you turn these, it's always a good idea to get some melted butter and baste them continuously while the other side is cooking. Looks amazing, smells amazing. I just want to finish this and taste it right now. So now, once I see the meat is cooked, and as I said, it cooks up really, really quick. Don't leave it on more than, I would say, 3-4 minutes. Otherwise, it's going to get dry. Now I'm adding the garlic in here. I'm adding some wine. I'm going to wait until the wine has been reduced for about a minute, and then we're going to add the heavy cream. And once the wine has been reduced by half, I'm now adding the heavy cream. And this is a sauce recipe that goes great with every meat recipe. So if you know, feeling lazy, you just want to grill up some meat, make this sauce, serve it with it. You're gonna love it, that's for sure. And I'm going to let the sauce cook with the cream for 1 more minute, and then I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm adding some more salt in the sauce and turning the heat off. And now what I'm going to do, and to me this is the critical part, I'm adding the veal slices back into this hot sauce with the heat off because I don't want these to cook more than they need to. And with continuously basting, I'm going to let these wait in here for about 5 minutes, make sure they soak up that deliciousness, and then I will transfer these to a plate. And the saltimbocca is ready, and once everything is cooked and once it's soaked up that beautiful sauce, I've sliced it into pieces like this. To me it looks delicious, and as you can see it's still pinkish inside. That's because we didn't overcook it, and that's why it's going to be super soft. Let me give it a taste. Very delicious. Meat is cooked to perfection. The sauce is so good that you can put some bread in it and eat it with bread as well. I would suggest you serve this with either risotto, polenta or some rice to soak up that beautiful sauce as well. I hope you guys did enjoy my recipe. I share a lot of easy, wholesome, delicious Mediterranean recipes. So if you haven't done so, please do subscribe to Edith's Kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!